Today we came to a pool party, so I want to show you everything that I brought in the bag that I brought with me. This is a Gucci backpack. First of all, let's talk about the outside before we talk about what's on the inside. This is cotton canvas, so you see it's a Gucci cotton canvas GG Supreme throughout. It does have brown leather, cocoa leather accents, 2 front pockets. You can put your keys in there for easy access or whatever you need to put inside of there. The back has these cottony type straps that are really comfortable. They are very adjustable. I have thought of this bag as being very unisex. Matter of fact, my husband was the one that wore it in here, so no issues with that. It doesn't look over girly or anything. It does have a silver buckle right here. That's how you open it, so we'll open it up and I'll show you what I brought inside. I will warn you, I brought my kids with me today, so there's lots of children things in here. But I just kind of want to give you an idea of how much it holds. Here's how it opens up. It does have this cinching right here. I didn't have it cinched. I have my shirt. I've got my children's clothes that they wore in before I put them in their bathing suits. I have 2 pairs of pajamas for the way home, and I've got another pair of clothes from them. I've got a backup bathing suit in case I need it. I had a couple extra swim diapers and a couple extra regular diapers and a pair of some baby wipes, and of course a lipstick that I keep forgetting to reapply. It's fine. It also has a zipper pocket right here, but as you can see, it just has so much space. You can put so much stuff in here. I packed it as a diaper bag for the day to show you that if you're a mom or dad that needs to carry something like this to the pool, little bougie diaper bag for your beach party pool day, you can totally do that, and it looks really cute. You can find our entire collection on our website at milkhoneycollection.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think of this really unique, large Gucci backpack.